Good morning students. What we have learned in the previous class? We have learned the characteristics of living and non-living things. Okay, and then natural and man-made things. Today we have learned, we are going to learn the question time about living and non-living things. Listen. First I give some fill in the blanks. Listen. We see dash and dash things in our surroundings. We see dash and dash things in our surroundings. We see living and non-living things in our surroundings. Spell the word living. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living and non-living things. Spell the word non-living. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G. Non-living. We see living and non-living things in our surroundings. What is the living things? We see some things that have life. For example, plants, animals and human beings. They are already non-living, they are already living things. And then stone, car, bike, table, chair, these are only non-living things. In our day-to-day life, we see most things, okay, many things. So that only we see living and non-living things in our surroundings. Next question, living things. Next question, living things need dash to live. Living things need dash to live. What is the important basic need of living things? That is the food. Okay, living things என்ன வேணும்? ஃபுட் இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம என்ன வாங்க முடியும்? உயிர் வாழ முடியும். சாப்பிட்டா தான் நம்ம ஹெல்த்தியாக இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ லிவிங் திங்ஸ் நீட் ஃபுட் டு லிவ். ஸ்பெல் தி வேர்ட் ஃபுட். F-O-O-D. Living things need food to live. Living things need food to live. Bat and ball are non-living things. Bat and dash are non-living things. The bat and ball are non-living things. Here dash, okay. Bat and ball are non-living things. And the next question, dash and dash are living things. Already know. உயிர் உள்ளது எல்லாமே லிவிங் திங்ஸ், உயிர் இல்லாதது நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ். இந்த பேட்டு பாலுக்கெல்லாம் உயிர் கிடையாது. ஸோ அது என்னது? நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ். ஹியர் given dash and dash are living things. What are the living things? Plants and animals are living things. Plants and animals are living things. And the next question, a computer and mat. A computer and mat do not need air to dash. Computer and mat. Computer and mat இதெல்லாம் என்னது? non-living things. Okay, non-living things do not need air to breathe. Okay, non-living things do not need air to breathe. அதுக்கு என்ன வேண்டாம்? breathe பண்றதுக்கு air தேவையில்லை. So do not a computer and mat do not need air to breathe. Spell the word breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Spell the word breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. And the next one, fish breathe through dash. Fish breathe through dash. Fish which is the breathing organ of fish? Gills. Fish வந்து எதை வச்சு தான் breathe பண்ணும்? அதோட gills மூலமாக தான் fish breathe பண்ணும். The fish breathe through gills. Spell the word gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Fish breathe through gills. And then next I am going to next question. Plants like sunflower dash in the direction of sunlight. Plants like sunflower move in the direction of sunlight. For example, morning, which direction is the sunrise? In the east direction. அப்போ எங்க பண்ணும்? எங்க வந்து சன் இருக்குதோ அந்த பக்கத்தை பார்த்து ஃப்ளவர் என்னவாகும்? அதோட மூவ் ஆகும். அதோட டைரக்ஷன் மூவ் ஆகும். சன் இருக்க பக்கத்துல தான் சன்ஃப்ளவர் வந்து என்னவாகும்? பிரியும். So that is called plants like sunflower move in the direction of a sunlight. எந்த பக்கத்துல? For example, sunflower வந்து ஈவினிங் தான் விரியுது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அப்போ ஈவினிங் எங்க இருக்கும்? சன் in west direction. So எந்த directionல sun இருக்குதோ அங்க பார்த்து தான் sunflower என்னவாகும் மூவ் ஆகும். So plants like sunflower in the direction of flower move in the direction of sunlight. And the next question, insects breathe with the help of their dash. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Already we had learned. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Spell the word air holes. A-I-R-H-O-L-E-S. Air holes. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Once again spell the word air holes. Air holes na adoda body la small holes irukum. So and the holes மூலமா insects என்ன செய்யும் breathe பண்ணும். We are all breathe through our nose. So அதே போல நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் breathe பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம nose மூலமா breathe பண்றோம். அதே same thing insects breathe through their tiny air holes. அதோட பாடியில small holes இருக்கும். So அதுதான் அதோட breathing organ. Insects ஓட breathing organ. Okay, can you clear? Okay, next question. Dash breathe through tiny holes on the surface of the leaf. Dash breathe through tiny holes on the surface of the leaf. Which surface of the breathing organ? That plants breathe through tiny holes on the surface of their leaf. Leaf oda பக்கத்துல பின்பால பாத்தீங்கன்னா small holes இருக்கும். So that is the breathing organ of leaf plants. Okay, so plants breathe through tiny holes on the surface of the leaf. And the next question, animals grow from dash to adult. Animals grow from babies to adult. Animals என்ன பண்ணும் குட்டி பாப்பால இருந்து பெரிய குட்டி puppy, for example dog. Puppy is growing to adult. பெரிய டாகா வளரும். சின்ன குட்டில இருந்து பெருசா வளர்றது. அது என்னது animals grow from babies to adult. Spell the word babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Animals grow from babies to adult. Babies to adult. And the next question, things provided by nature are called dash things. Things provided by nature are called dash things. That is natural things. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு nature கொடுக்கிற things எல்லாம் என்ன சொல்றோம் natural things னு சொல்றோம். For example water, mountain, rocks, seas, oceans, rivers, the sand, soil. These are all the natural things. இத யாராவது மேக் பண்ண முடியுமா? யாராவது இத உருவாக்க முடியுமா? No. So these are all the things created by God. So these things are in natural things. Spell the word natural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural things. Okay, so once again I repeat, fill in the blanks. We see living and non-living things in our surroundings. We see living and non-living things in our surroundings. Spell the word living. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. And non-living. N-O-N. Non. L-I-V-I-N-G. Non-living. We see living and non-living things in our surroundings. நம்ம பார்க்குறோம் நம்மளோட டே டு டே லைஃப்ல நம்ம லிவிங் திங்ஸும் பார்க்குறோம் நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸும் பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ we see living and non-living things in our surroundings. Living things need food to live. Living thingsக்கு என்ன இருக்கணும்? ஃபுட் இருந்தால் தான் உயிர் வாழ முடியும். சரியா? Living things need food to live. Spell the word food. F-O-O-D. Food. Living things need food to live. Bat and ball are non-living things. Okay, bat, ball இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்னது கிடையாது? உயிர் கிடையாது. So இதெல்லாம் என்னது? These are all the non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Why you are telling that plants and animals are non-living living things? Because of the plants and animals need all the characteristics of living things. For example, plants and animals need food. They breathe. They feel. They grow. So these are all the characteristics. Okay, so these plants and animals are living things. Can you clear? Bat and ball are non-living things because of no life. அதுக்கு என்ன கிடையாது, உயிர் கிடையாது. அதனால நம்ம non living things னு சொல்றோம். Plants and animals. Plantsக்கும் animalsக்கும் என்ன உண்டு, உயிர் உண்டு. So அதனால அது என்னது, these are all the living things. A computer and mat do not need air to dash breathe. Computer and mat, these are all the non-living things. So the non-living things do not breathe. அதுக்கு air தேவையில்லை. So அதனால அது breathe பண்ண வேண்டாம். So computer and mat do not need air to breathe. Spell the word breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Spell the word breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. And the next question. Fish breathe through gills. Fish breathe through gills. Spell the word gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Fish breathe through gills. We are all human beings breathe through their nose. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், நம்ம nose மூலமா breathe பண்றோம். At the same thing, some animals also breathe through their nose. And then some insects breathe through their air holes on this body. அதோட பாடியில் small holes இருக்கும். At the same thing, fish also breathe through their gills. Fish என்ன செய்யுது, அது breathe பண்றதுக்கு அதோட organ-ஓட name தான் gills. Okay, fish-ஓட breathing organ is called gills. Spell the word gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Can you clear? Okay, next question. Plants like sunflower move in the direction of sunlight. Plants like sunflower move in the direction of sunlight. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Spell the word air holes. A-I-R-H-O-L-E-S. Air holes. Insects ஓட பாடியில் small holes இருக்கும். அது மூலமாக தான் insects வந்து breathe பண்ணும். So that is called the air holes. Okay. Insects breathe with the help of their air holes. Can you clear, ma? Yes. Okay, next one. Plants breathe through tiny holes on the surface of the leaf. Plants breathing organ is a stomata. That is called a stomata. So small holes present on the surface of the leaves. So that is called the breathing organs of plants. So plants breathe through tiny holes on the surface of the leaf. Leaf oda surface la small holes irukum. That is called a stomata. So that is the breathing organ of plants. And the next one, animals grow from babies to adult. Already know that small, for example dog, the puppies grow into adult. The babies grow to adult. So animals grow from babies to adult. Things provided by nature are called natural things. Already know things provided by nature are called natural things. Can you clear this topic? Fill in the blanks. Yes. Shall I go to next Roman letter? Name the following. Okay, here 4 questions given. You tell the name the followings. For example, first one, 3 living things. Any you have write any 3 living things. Okay, 3 living things. What are the living things? Things that have life. So that things are called the living things. What are the things of life? Human beings, plants and animals. So here write human, plants and animals. Okay, these are all the living things. 3 living things. Name the following. Name 3 living things. Human beings, plants and animals. Okay, and the next question, 3 non-living things which you carry to school. 3 non-living things which you carry to school. ஸ்கூலுக்கு நீங்கள் கொண்டு போகிறதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு 3 non-living things சொல்லணும். Okay, what are the things you carry in your bag? Book, school bag, lunch bag. So inside the school bag, what are the things you have? Book, pencil box, eraser, notebooks. Okay, these are all the things present in your inside the school bag. And then lunch bag also you carry to school. So what are the things inside your lunch box? Lunch box, napkin, spoon, and these things, snacks box are present in your lunch bags. Okay, so here you write any 3 things which you carry to school. நீங்க ஸ்கூல் கொண்டு போறதுல ஏதாவது 3 things எழுதணும். So write book. You write any 3 things. Okay, here I mentioned book, pencil and then lunch box or snacks box, anything you are write. எது வேணாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். சரியா? book, pencil, lunch box. The 3 non-living things which you carry to school. And the next question, 3 natural things. Okay, you write 3 natural things. The sun is a natural things, and then water, mountain, these are all the natural things. Here you write 3 natural things: sun, water, mountain. You write anything. Okay, so these are all the natural things. And the next question is, name 3 man-made things. Name 3 man-made things. Man-made things means what? Things made by human beings. So that things are called man-made things. Okay, any 3 man-made things you have write. Say that bench, door, windows, fan, cameras, the blackboard. These things are made by human beings. Okay, you have write any 3 man-made things. Now I am writing chalk, bed, chair, door. Okay, these are all the man-made things. Okay, can you clear the second Roman letter? Yes, name the following 3 living things and 3 non-living things which you carry to school, and then 3 natural things, and then 3 man-made things. Third Roman letter, answer the following questions. What are living things? Give 2 examples. Already know what are living things. Things that need food, move, breathe, grow, feel and reproduce are known as the living things. These are all the characteristics of living things. All living things must do these characters. Okay, things that need food, move. All living things may enna irukonu food theva, food irukum, move. They move one place to another one place. For example, animals search their food, they move one place to another one place, and then they breathe. All living organisms must breathe. Breathe பண்ணா தான் உயிர் வாழ முடியும். And then grow. எல்லா living organisms must need அதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், growth இருக்கும். And then feel, sad, happy, feel. So all those characters, all living organisms all feel. And reproduce. Plants reproduce through seeds, and then human beings reproduce by giving birth to their young ones, and some living things reproduce through eggs, laying eggs. So these are all the characteristics of living things. Now what are living things? Things that need, இது எல்லாமே தேவை. What are the things need? Food, move, breathe, grow, feel and reproduce are known as living things. Examples, plants and animals. Okay, give 2 examples, that is plants and animals are living things. Things that need food, move, breathe, grow, feel and reproduce are known as living things. Examples, plants and animals. Can you clear first question? Shall I go to next one? What are non-living things? Give 2 examples. Okay, what are non-living things? Living things na உயிர் உள்ளது, non-living things na உயிரற்றது. So things that do not need, things that do not need food, move, grow, feel and reproduce are known as non-living things. Examples, car and chair. Okay, things that do not need food, move, grow, feel and reproduce are known as non-living things. Examples, car and chair. Does a pencil have feet? No. So and then does a chair have feed, take food? No, because of that's a non-living things. Non-living things do not need food, move, grow, feel and reproduce. Okay, are known as non-living things. Example, car and chair. And then next question, what are natural things? What are natural things? Things provided by nature are called natural things. Things provided by nature are called natural things. Say some examples of natural things. Mountain, river, ocean, seas, sun, moon, star, sky, sand. These things are all natural things. Okay, what are natural things? Natural things provided by nature are called natural things. Okay, and the next question, how do with the help of their gills. Okay, fish breathe with the help of their gills. Human beings breathe through their nose, and then plants breathe through the tiny holes present on the surface of the leaves. And then the same thing, how do fish breathe? Fish breathe with the help of their gills. Fish ஓட breathing organ is gills. அதோட காது வந்து என்னது, காது நம்மளுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு செதில் மாதிரி இருக்கும். So that is called the breathing organ of fish. This is the gills. Okay, fish breathe with the help of their gills. And then next question, write two important characteristics of a living things. Write two important characteristics of a living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things can move on their own except plants. Plants don't move here and there. Okay, plants are fixed on the ground. So living things can move on their own except the plant. Human beings and animals move one place to another one place. And then living things can grow in size. Okay, that for example, that human beings first in a baby, and the baby grows into a adult one, and then plants grow from a sapling into big tree. So these are all the important living characteristics of living things. Living things can move on their own, and then living things can grow in size, and then living things feed. Okay, living things can feel, and these are all the characteristics of a living things. Can you clear these questions? Yes, once again I repeat, what are living things? Give two examples. Things that need food, move, breathe, grow, feel and reproduce, okay, are known as living things. For example, human beings, plants and animals. And then what are non-living things? Give two examples. Things that do not need food, move, grow, feel, reproduce are known as non-living things. Examples, car and chair. And then what are natural things? Things provided by nature are called the natural things. How do fish breathe? Fish breathe with the help of their gills. This is the gills. Okay, fish breathe with the help of their gills. And then write two important characteristics of living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things can grow in size. Okay, and then next one is the differentiate between the followings. Okay, any three difference between the living and non-living things. Differentiate between the following: living and non-living things. First point, here you divide into two columns. First column is living things, and then second column is the non-living things. First point, they eat food. Living things eat food, and then non-living things, they do not eat food. Non-living things do not eat food. And then second point, they show growth. They show growth. And then non-living things, they do not show growth. Non-living things, they do not show growth. The bench, desk, idella valaruma? No. So these are all the non-living things. But that the plants and animals show growth. And then next one, they reproduce. Okay, living things reproduce, and non-living things, they do not reproduce. Okay, living things, they reproduce. Non-living things, they do not reproduce. These are all the differentiate between the living and non-living things. And then next question is differentiate between natural and man-made things. Okay, next question is differentiate between natural and man-made things. Natural and man-made things. natural things. Here natural things. Man-made things. Okay, first point, what is the natural things? Things provided by nature. Things provided by nature are called natural things. Natural things. And what is the man-made things? Things made by man are called things made by man are called man-made things. Man-made things. Okay, and the next point, next one, that examples of natural things. What are the example of natural things? Say some examples. The sun, stars, mountain and river. Mountain and river. These are all the examples of natural things. Natural things. And then say some examples of man-made things. What are the man-made things? Door, car, chairs, doll, and camera. These are all the examples of man-made things. Okay, once again I repeat, what are the difference between a man-made and natural and man-made things? Natural things, things provided by nature are called natural things. Okay, things provided by nature are called natural things. And then what's the man-made things? Things made by man are called man-made things. And then some examples, next point, sun, stars, mountain and river are the examples of natural things. And then door, car, chair, doll and camera are the examples of man-made things. Okay, so once again I explain the differentiate between living and non-living things. Living things, they eat food. Non-living things, they do not eat food. They show growth. They do not show growth. And then they reproduce. They do not reproduce. Okay, non-living things do not reproduce. Okay, can you clear? Okay, and then next question, differentiate between natural things and man-made things. Natural things, things provided by nature are called natural things. Things made by man are called man-made things. And then examples of natural things, sun, stars, mountain and river are the examples of natural things. Door, car, chair, doll and camera are the examples of man-made things. Okay, ma'am, thank you.